No intro. So the first thing you want to do is go over to your browser. I'm using Google Chrome, but you can use basically any browser, it doesn't really matter. Now here in the search bar, you just want to type in MultiMC, just like that, or just click the link in the description below and it will take you directly to this page. And click on the top result. So here, you just want to click on download and install, and select your operating system. For me, I'm using Windows, as you can clearly see, so we just click on download. And here we'll see that it downloads very quickly. So as you can see, it's MMC develop-win32.zip. So just wait for it to finish installing. There we go. And now you can close the browser. Now you want to go over to your downloads folder. I have set up a shortcut on my desktop for it, but if you don't know how to find your downloads folder, then that most likely means you haven't messed with it, and it's just going to be right here in the file explorer and the downloads folder right here. So what you want to do is just go to your downloads folder. And here we have the MMC develop-win32. So here, you just want to right click, and you just want to click on extract all. Extract, and there we go. So here you want to go inside of MultiMC, and just scroll down until you get to the application, which is MultiMC. You can right click on this, once selecting it, and click on show more options, and you can create a shortcut if you want to be able to access the MultiMC more easily, and just move it to your desktop, just like that. And now if we just click on the shortcut, it is going to open up this Windows protected your PC screen. You can just click on more info and run anyway. This happens because it's just not using signed code, it really doesn't matter. So here, for language, I'm just going to select American English, really doesn't matter, and finish. And here we'll have the screen. So the first thing that you want to do upon downloading MultiMC is go over to Accounts and Manage Accounts. Here, you're going to have this quick QR code, and you can just use this to log into your Microsoft account that has Minecraft on it. So I'm going to do that very quickly. So now that we're done here, we can just close this, and we'll be back in MultiMC. So now we want to click on Add Instance. And here you want to choose. Do you want to use the newest version of Minecraft? Do you want to change the type? Do you want to have some mods? But for me, I'm just going to keep it very simple, and I'm just going to use 1.21.10. So as you can see, 1.21.10 will show up here, and you'll just be able to double click it to actually start up the game. So yeah, that's all. Hope you enjoyed the video or found it useful, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Peace.